Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use your windscreen wipers and washer. Mazda CX-5. The ignition must be switched on to use the wipers. We are sitting in front of the steering wheel. On the right side we can see the multifunction lever. This multifunction lever is strong. He can make that your front windscreen wipers and washer system works. And of course, it's possible in the rear side of your car. Washy, washy, washy. Wash, 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 washy. Oh, yeah. And of course, it's possible to do this once. That means lift it up. The windscreen wiper will be shifted once. And if you go from the upper side down, 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 there is first the automatic way. The automatic way is that your car will switch on and off the wipers automatically by using the front camera system. And there you can adjust it a little bit. This is the auto wiper control. This is how much sensitive the system should be by rotating the knob ring. That is the automatic way. The next one is if you go down a little bit and on the right side you can switch it the rear side. That means with this part of the knob you can make the rear side wiper and fluid. No problem, eh? But for showing how to use it, switch on the ignition. The engine does not have to start, but the ignition has to be on. So let's start with the first setup. Now you can see we have a little bit rainy weather outside. And to wipe it away, we can go down in automatic way. And here you can see the automatic knows there's rain out there. Let's have a little bit wiper action. That's easy. How to adjust. So the sensitive, rotate the knob ring a little bit. This set the lever in how sensitive the sensor should be. If you do not have an auto wiper control, this ring will variable the speed intermediate. So let's go to the next setup. One day down. That means we are now in off. Then automatic way. Then this intermittent. Then low speed and high speed. The super high level. Yeah, this is awesome, isn't it? This is the auto wiper control lever on your right side. Let's go to the rear side. The rear side is awesome too. In the rear side, let's have adjust a little bit. There it is, okay? In the rear side, you have a wiper too. To get there, you can control the knob rotation on the right side easily. ENT, intermittent, and one is normal. And if you go down a little bit more, this will get the wiper fluid out. The same is on the upper side. That means you have 2 in 1 here. One's up, one's down. Both will get your wiper fluid out. And the other setup on the right side will get how much speed it should be. Intermittent or normal. That is how to use it. And there's more, the headlight washer. The engine must be started and the headlight must be turned on. If you like to wash your front windshield, pull it. This will switch on the washer system, as you can see. This is good to see out of your window if there are so many corps of insects. If you do this twice, you can switch on the additional headlight washer system. 2 times means headlight plus the standard windshield washer. Only once windshield washer and all 10 times, there will be the headlight washer on. The headlight washer is only if you're an LED headlight system built in. If you have an halogen system, you have not headlight washers. But I think the Mazda CX-5 is only with LED front light. So here you can see there's so many possibilities with this tiny knob on the right side of your steering wheel. Up once, then off, automatic way, and then intermittent and super hard. If you have an automatic way, you can choose in the automatic setup the how much the camera will know about your rain. Easy as you can see. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. So soon.